Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can turn off two-factor authentication or two-step verification on the WhatsApp. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open the WhatsApp and then you will see three dots on top right, click on it and then click on setting and then you will see account option, click on it and then you will see two-step verifications. You can see my two-step verification is on. So when I will click on turn off and then again click on turn off, so in this way you can see my two-step verification on the WhatsApp will off. So in this way you can easily turn off two-step verification on the WhatsApp. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and also subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.